Right, well, I was just over here working away, which is pretty much what I'm usually doing anyways. And yeah, one of my usuals walk in and they got another typical kind of job that I get from them. And this is a little quick one. Might as well take the moment to share with you. So one of our local engine builders gets himself in all kinds of little projects, and no exception today. So he showed up with 16 brand new guides and a pair of samples. So pretty easy, is all I gotta do is just trim these guides down to that length, and the other set we got a different length for. So pretty simple job. We'll take care of that over here on the 1972 AFM lathe. Alright, so first thing I gotta do is I gotta remove this 4-jaw chuck. It's gonna be in my way for the way I'm gonna do my setup. And we're not gonna need this tool either. So that can go. And we're gonna use the center, but not this one. So this one's gotta come out as well. And this is gonna be the one we use. So we'll get that in there. Get the carriage out of the way. Alright, so there we go. We got our bare spindle nose now. And the inner spindle here is a Morse taper number 5. So I just get my collet holder set up, and we just ram that in there just like that. And for this we'll be using our parting tool. So the nice thing about jobs like these is they're not high tolerances at all. We'll run our center in there. Snug up the collet holder. We'll grab our sample. We just need to eyeball this. Just like so. So if I cut there, they should be the same length. We'll tighten up our carriage. And let's give this a go. Right. Easy peasy. Break that free, grab our sample, and look at that. Pretty damn close. Now I'm just gonna do that 7 more times. So, same thing. Slide this in. Install the center. Snug up the collet. Part it off. Simple, repetitive. I like it. All right. right, so that was the last one for the second length. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put a little bit of a lead on here. All right, so this is going to be my setup for my little lead here. I think we just take our little repair reamer here, scratch out whatever burr might be in that bore. Doesn't need to be perfect. Mount that in, tighten it up. And we'll just feed the tool in like so. And voila, we got ourselves our lead. Now the reason why I want to do it like this is because it is much easier to just plunge in than it would be to set this up and hand crank each one. Now if we had like exacting numbers we were going for, then yeah, that would be the way we do it. But this literally is not of that kind of tolerancing needs. So you just want to set them up quick, get them done. And just like that. Easy peasy. All right, well, that was my last one. And that's it. This batch is complete. Quick, easy. We had the short ones and the long ones. And yeah, we get all kinds of crazy little jobs like that. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later.